Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. Today we welcome back our fifth graders. We are glad to have you back, fifth grade students. We have been missing you. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Also remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today, again, it's Motivational Monday. So our little motivation for today says it's Monday, it's time to sparkle and shine. I know we have these fifth graders that have been out of the building and now they are back. So it is time for them to show off a little for these brand new teachers they have and to have a great first Monday back into the building. But even if you aren't a fifth grader, you can also sparkle and shine this morning. Monday is a great day to set the tone for the week. So have a great day and have a great rest of the week. Today for breakfast, we have cereal, fruit, juice, and milk. And for lunch, we're going to have a deli sandwich with all the fixings and some chips and a drink. Tomorrow, although it says Monday, that's supposed to be Tuesday, October 21st. Tomorrow, we're going to have ham and cheese croissant, fruit, juice, and milk. And for lunch, we're going to have chicken bites, a roll, some carrots, and something to drink. Unfortunately, we have no birthdays to celebrate today, but over the weekend, we had a few people that did celebrate some birthdays. We have on Saturday, Cameron Andrews, Ava McClendon, and Cornelius Broadnax celebrated birthdays, and on Sunday, Keelan Bowler and Caden Hansberry. Happy birthday! So here's today's announcement. Students, if you still have library books at your house from last year, please remember to bring those back and turn them into Miss Smith in the library. Very soon she's going to start checking out books again, and you want to be able to make sure that you can get those books that you want from the library. It's going to be an exciting new system this year, so I want you to make sure you go home and collect any books that you still had left over from last year. I think we still had quite a few, so go look for those and bring those on back so you don't miss out on anything this year. Students and teachers, please remind your parents to send in money and registration to join our PTO. More announcements. Fifth grade teachers, please take a few minutes today to explain our new dismissal procedures to your students. So fifth grade has been doing dismissal for a while now, and it's just a tiny bit different, not a whole lot of big changes. So talk about those a little bit, and I know our fifth graders will not have any trouble getting into the new groove of things as you dismiss today. Students, you are doing an awesome job with the new car line procedures. Way to go. Keep up the great work. Remember to keep listening really carefully during dismissal for your number and to move quickly once you exit your classroom to get in line or to go on outside. Okay, when it says to load, you need to be moving quick to your car and looking carefully. Students, we have an exciting new award that we will be granting each month. We will have a Shepherd Supporter of the Month. This award will recognize someone that you nominate. It might be your mom, dad, grandparent, aunt, uncle, cousin, or even a sibling. It is someone that you see on a regular basis that helps you to be successful at school. Maybe they help you practice your math facts or study spelling words or even make sure you have a snack each day. We will have a nomination form. We will have nominations forms for you to tell us about your favorite Shepherd Supporter and why they should win the award for Shepherd Supporter of the Month. Coming up next week, we have Red Ribbon Week. That is exciting. October 26th through the 30th. So right before Halloween, we are going to celebrate Red Ribbon Week. And we know that Red Ribbon Week reminds us to stay drug-free and to make good choices. So, you are invited to participate in a week of activities. Please remember that your school dress code still stands as we are celebrating choosing to be drug-free. So, next Monday, October 26th, you can sock it to drugs, wear some silly socks. On Tuesday, we're putting a cap on drugs, so you can wear a cap or a hat day. On Monday and Tuesday, of course, you would be wearing your regular uniform. Add some socks or caps. On Wednesday, too bright for drugs, so you can wear a bright or a neon shirt with your uniform pants and the rest of your uniform. On Thursday, team up against drugs. So instead of your red uniform shirt, you can wear a sports shirt or a jersey or something like that with your uniform pants. And on Friday, we are going to say boo to drugs. Wear an orange or black shirt with your uniform pants. And that is all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday out there, Kate Shepherd, and can't wait to see you, 5th grade.